पायल रोहतगी। हम सबको पता है कि आर्यन खान की बेल हियरिंग आज है हाई कोर्ट में। एनसीबी ऑब्वियसली आर्यन खान की बेल हियरिंग को अपोज कर रहा है। उनका कहना है दैट देयर आर क्लियर इंस्टेंसेस ऑफ टैंपरिंग एंड इन्फ्लुएंसिंग विटनेसेस इन द मिडस्ट ऑफ एन ऑनगोइंग इन्वेस्टिगेशन। एनसीबी का यह भी कहना है कि शाहरुख खान की मैनेजर पूजा ददलानी appears to have influenced punch witness and bail application of Aryan Khan is liable to be rejected on that ground only. अब इसके जवाब में आर्यन खान के तरफ से रिजॉइंडर आया है that he has got nothing to do with the allegations and counter allegations between Sameer Wankhande and a certain political personality. उन्होंने ये भी कहा है that he has no connection with Prabhakar Sel or his employer KP Gosavi and praised that his bail application be considered uninfluenced by claims made by external parties. अब मुकुल रोहतगी हैज बीन डिफेंडिंग आर्यन खान इन हाई कोर्ट और उनकी दलीलें मुझे बहुत लॉजिकल लगी है। रोहतगी रिफर्ड टू लास्ट ईयर सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट इन तूफान सिंह केस विच हेल्ड दैट एनडीपीएस ऑफिसर्स आर पुलिस ऑफिसर्स एंड कन्फेशंस गिवन टू देम आर इनएडमिसिबल इन एविडेंस। ये भी कहना है कि कॉन्शियस पोजेशन इज व्हाट इज अंडर माय कंट्रोल एंड नॉलेज। इफ आई एम ड्राइविंग द कार एंड समथिंग इज इन द कार देयर कुड बी कॉन्शियस पोजेशन, बट इन माय केस देयर वाज नो कॉन्शियस पोजेशन एट ऑल, क्योंकि कॉन्शियस पोजेशन ये शब्द का इस्तेमाल किया था ट्रायल कोर्ट ने व्हाइल रिजेक्टिंग आर्यन खान्स बेल एप्लीकेशन। What somebody has in their shoe is not my concern, that cannot be my conscious possession. साथ साथ में उन्होंने ये भी कहा है रोहतगी ने इन हिज आर्ग्यूमेंट दैट पोजेशन ऑफ समबडी एल्स कैन नॉट बी माई पोजेशन अनलेस देयर इज कंट्रोल एंड नॉलेज। I have no case either of consumption or of sale or purchase. I don't accuse any officer of NCB. I am not concerned or connected with Punch Witness 1 or 2. The director of NCB yesterday said in the affidavit that the so-called extortion allegations were a result of some political conspiracy, but today the entire controversy is rebounding on me and they are putting it on me. ऐसा रोहतगी ने बोला on behalf of Aryan Khan. I don't want to sully my case by siding with either the political personality or the Panchas because I'm not connected to anybody. I have a great case. In this remand, there is no seizure of the mobile phone. Mobile seizure is not even in Panchnama. कोर्ट ने फिर मुकुल रोहतगी को पूछा then what is the basis of the WhatsApp chat? रोहतगी ने कहा WhatsApp chats have nothing to do with the cruise case. They are all chats with people from before. They are some boys. The law provides that for small quantities the maximum punishment is 1 year and there is also immunity from prosecution if they go to a rehabilitation center. ऐसा रोहतगी ने कहा for the 3 people who are applying for their bail in High Court. Rohantgi reading sections 20B second of NDPS Act says that legislative intent is clear. Maximum is 1 year, minimum is nothing. रोहतगी ने यह भी बोला there is no consumption, no recovery, no driver was carrying it on my behalf. I am arguing a case which is actually not there against me. In US and in some parts of the world, cannabis is legal. Rohantgi refers to the chat prepared showing the arrest and quantity recovered, says that maximum Aryan Khan can be connected to Arbaaz Merchant and Achit Kumar, that is A17 as per prosecution. But Achit was not on the cruise. He was arrested from his home. There is no meeting of minds between the accused. Senior advocate Amit Desai ने ये भी कहा Achit Kumar is a young college kid. He was the person with whom Aryan used to play poker and there were chats and the chats were before 12 to 14 months and that is being cited in WhatsApp. उन्होंने एक्सप्लेन किया जिस चैट्स के आधार पर अचित कुमार को भी पकड़ा गया, चैट्स वर 12 to 14 months before and he used to play poker with Aryan Khan. Today lots of gaming is happening online during lockdown. Lots of children are playing. It is also being considered by court. He mentioned gaming. My lords, remember Rummy. Rohantgi is saying Supreme Court has said it is a game of skill. Amit Desai submits that WhatsApp chats between Aryan Khan and Achit were about online poker. There was nothing beyond communication about poker. Rohatgi ने refer किया है para 7 of the Ragini Dwindi judgment in which Supreme Court granted bail, no drugs were found and the applicant was arrested on a conspiracy charge. Rohatgi ने कहा that Supreme Court held in Ragini Dwindi's case that the bar for bail under 37 of NDPS Act would not apply. Rohatgi ने कहा in Ragini's case the Supreme Court held that at best it was the case of consumption. उन्होंने ये भी कहा that there is no question of conscious possession. Arbaz is not my servant. He is not in my control. I have no control over what is found in Arbaz's shoe. तो यहाँ पर मुकुल रोहतगी जी की आर्ग्यूमेंट्स बहुत लॉजिकल है. I really feel मुकुल रोहतगी के आर्ग्यूमेंट्स बहुत लॉजिकल है. आई थिंक इस लॉजिकल आर्ग्यूमेंट्स के आधार पर आर्यन खान को बेल मिलनी चाहिए. हम एक डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री में रहते हैं जहां पर कानून है, लोकतंत्र है और उसके आधार पर आर्यन खान को बेल मिलनी चाहिए. नमस्ते, जय हिंद.